How to buy PEPE Coin on Coinbase Wallet. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Now, whether you're using the Chrome extension or the mobile application, there are differences in the process of transferring Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet. So what I'm showing you right now is the mobile application. So here's the thing, after adding Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet, you may exchange it for PEEP directly within the mobile app or browser extension. So you have to make sure that you have balance here on your Ethereum. So now you have to go to browser and then look for Uniswap. Okay, so tap Uniswap right here. Actually, if you want to explore, you just have to scroll down. But for this time, you just have to go to tap tops and tap this Uniswap. Once you tap this Uniswap, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now click Ethereum. So you can see here Ethereum and you can swap to any token. So tap select token, and what you're going to do here is to scroll down and look for PEEP. Or you can go to the search bar and search or type PEEP here. Okay. So after that, what you're going to do is to click the PEEP after it shows right here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is to enter the amount that you want to swap. For example, this one right here. And then, like what I've mentioned earlier, you have to make sure that you have balance on your Ethereum. So as you can see, this is the amount that you are going to receive once you swap or buy PEEP. So after that, what you're going to do is to click swap or tap the swap button. Now confirm swap. Okay, so you will see the information, the amount that you're going to receive, and then you have to wait for confirmation. And like what I've mentioned again earlier, you have to make sure that you have enough balance here on your Ethereum so that you can proceed and confirm the transaction. And that way, you can easily buy PEEP coin on Coinbase Wallet. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.